It's no longer news that Elon Musk is the man of big and very futuristic goals that leave anyone listening to him perplexed and wondering whether this man is from Mars or not. Well, if you were to talk to Elon today, he'll tell you that one of the biggest things he's working on is transitioning the world from degradable energy to renewable energy. Therefore, Tesla Motors focused on making this change effective worldwide in a decade or two to come. But to make this dream of transitioning a whole planet towards the more efficient way of powering our lives, Tesla needs a non-existing logistic and therefore needs to be created. In that logic, the car company is building around the world a collection of Gigafactories, with the first one in Nevada, USA, costing more than $5 billion. So what exactly is a Gigafactory and how does it feel like to be inside one? These questions will be the subject of our video today. If this is your first time watching us, be a true fan and smash that subscribe button to join our fast-growing community. Now, let's jump right into the video. Tesla's goal is to hasten the world's transition to renewable technology by making electric cars and energy goods more accessible. Tesla will use the entire global supply of lithium-ion batteries to increase demand to 500,000 vehicles a year. When Tesla first announced the factory's plans, it stated that it would produce 105 gigawatt per hour of battery cells per year and 150 gigawatts per hour of battery packs per year once completed. The Tesla Gigafactory was built out of need and would have enough batteries to meet Tesla's anticipated vehicle demand. In addition to Tesla's energy storage devices, Powerwall, and Powerpack, the Gigafactory manufactures Model 3 electric motors and battery packs today. The first one, as mentioned earlier, is being built in Nevada with a $5 billion investment. The Nevada location was picked from many bids done by several states in the US. Though the state's package was beautiful, it was not the main reason for its selection, as Elon Musk himself will come to explain.
Nevada's a real get-it-done state, and that's what I said when we made the first announcement, and it's turned out to be absolutely true. People here, they just have a great mindset, and very pragmatic. They want to do things.
For the tech billionaire, Nevada's ability to get things done put the state at the top of the list. In the mind of Tesla's fast-thinking and executing leaders, operating such a giant factory in a state where things are prolonged will be the best turnoff ever. When completed on its 5.8 million square foot facility, the Nevada plant will be the most prominent property globally, and needless to say, the giant factory as well. But before its full completion, the factory will have to function on its current 3.5 million square feet. There are currently 1,000 workers working on expanding the facility to its full capacity. After buying 32,000 acres of land for $16 million alone, you certainly don't want to end up stopping your big project. Once completed, the facility, which is expected to be a net zero energy factory, will be fueled mainly by solar, with construction already underway. By making battery cells in gigafactories, Mr. Musk hopes to innovate faster and cut out about 30% of the cost. The factory is a tie-up with the company that already makes Tesla's cells, Panasonic. Panasonic has 3,000 workers in the factory, and Tesla has 7,000. So, just after the Panasonic side of the factory finishes its battery work, the completed portion is transferred to the Tesla section. Not with human effort, but well-oriented and robotic vehicles. This is another crucial thing about gigafactories. They require minimal human action in the making of the parts. Inside the gigafactory, you'll also find a restaurant, a cafeteria, and a shop where workers can purchase cool Tesla kits for themselves or other people. It is a place full of passionate people working on something that will change the world forever. The $5 billion facilities will also be fully self-sustained after its completion. All gigafactories will be using solar energy and other well-known renewable sources of energy. Tesla has a plan to build more gigafactories across each continent. Every time a gigafactory is created, it can attract 10,000 jobs in the state of construction. Apart from the Nevada facility, 2 others are being built, one in Shanghai and another in New York. But Elon Musk and his team of passionate executives do not plan to stop there. Elon Musk said some time ago that his master plan could cost tens of billions of dollars. This master plan evolves, making cars and other renewable energy pieces of equipment as affordable as possible. In terms of vehicles, we'll also have them very soon electric buses. It's clear that through gigafactories, Tesla is trying to revolutionize one industry but several others. The world will see more and more of these vast factories being constructed. We can boldly say that with the team around Elon Musk as a visionary leader, the full world transition to renewable energy will be a big success. That brings our video to its end. Let us know your thoughts about Tesla's Gigafactories. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.